Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Hikvision DS-3WRE12C AC1200 Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Hikvision DS-3WRE12C AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is a dual-band range extender that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate weak signal area. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Hikvision DS-3WRE12C extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid, which means the extender is ready to start setup. Find the WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button might be labeled WPS or show a two curved arrows icon. It is usually located on the back or side panel of your router. Now, press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see a blinking WPS LED light on the router. This means your router is now searching for a device to connect securely. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Hikvision extender. The WPS/signal LED on the extender will start blinking, showing that it's connecting to the router's Wi-Fi network. The extender will automatically exchange network settings with the router. When the signal/Wi-Fi LED becomes solid, the connection is successful. The extender will now broadcast a network name similar to your router's name, usually ending with _ext, for example, HomeWiFi_ext. After the connection is successful, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Setup complete. Your Hikvision DS-3WRE12C AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is now connected to your router via WPS and ready to boost your Wi-Fi range. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.